Problem 34, course schedule. So given a number of courses and the list of prerequisites, we have to find out whether the list is valid or not. So for example, 2, you can see that 1 has a prerequisite of 0 and 0 has a prerequisite of 1. So that is not possible in real life, so we return false. So to do that, first we define the vector of vector. This is actually adjacency matrix we are creating. And the second one is the visit and visit fun. That is mean that I'll explain you a bit later. So first we have to create this adjacency matrix. So adjacency matrix will have a one side node and the list of all prerequisites for that node or for that subject. And we iterate through the for loop and check if it is visited or not. So coming to this, visit is nothing but has that node been visited or not. And visit one means that is that node been visited during the current DFS or not. So we send it to the DFS function, and if this returns true, so true here means that cycle is been detected, so that's why we return false. In all other cases we return true. And coming to the DFS function, first we update visit vector to true, visit of that node to true, so that means the current node is been visited. And also visit underscore fun, that is that node during the during the current DFS has it been visited or not. So initially we updated to true, and at the end we updated to false because that current DFS is already been done. We exit it, and in the for loop we have again do the same thing was what we did in this part. So if it is not visited, and if uh, if the DFS returns true, we return true. Like if cycle is detected, we return true. And coming to the main part, that is line number 9, if it is if the current node is or the current prerequisite is been visited and it is being visited during the current DFS also, that means the cycle is detected. Then we return true. So there is one other case where if the current prerequisite is visited and it is not been visited during the current DFS. That means we already checked that prerequisite before, during the previous DFS. So we don't need to check again. We skip that and we go through other prerequisites. So only case where it becomes true is if it is been if the current node visited is true, and also during the current DFS, if it is true, then we return true. Then the cycle is detected. So at the end, we update the visited of the current DFS to false, and we find return false, like cycle is not detected. So yeah, that's about it.